Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This two-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 104,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include airbags, power brakes, and power steering. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.